Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can back up an Android phone, how to back up an Android phone in case if you want to reset your phone or something, how you can back it up. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, what you need to know is that backing up your phone, there are two ways. Either out from a software which is outside, basically Dr. Phone or Dr. Android Kit, but these are paid. They're going to create for you a temporary backup file, and then from that file you have to pay money so you can get that backup file down onto your phone. And of course we don't want to do that, so I'm going to show you the easiest way. So you're going to click on settings, okay, and once you're in settings you're going to scroll down, okay, all the way to something called to scroll down until general management. From general management you're going to click on reset. Now from reset you're going to have something called external storage backup, temporarily cloud backup. Okay, so from external storage backup, basically you're going to put a storage, you're going to put a USB storage device, and then it's going to be used, and you're going to restore it later on this device or another device using storage smart switch. So you're going to download smart switch on the new phone, okay? And you're going to click on external storage backup. Once you click on it, you're going to click on more and allow, and of course you need to install a smart switch on this phone and update it. Okay, once you install it and update it and put the USB, connect your phone to to a flash drive, a USB storage device, or to a PC, it's going to do for you the backup, and it's going to store it on that application, and basically have your own backup on an external device. But there's a different way, which is basically temporarily cloud backup. Okay, it's going to back up for unlimited data of Samsung Cloud for up to 30 days, or store data when you've backed up. Once you click on it, it's going to start backing up your data, but of course you only have 30 days to restore it. Okay, so this is basically, guys, how you can make a backup for your Android phone. So it was that easy. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.